Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to add documents to HubSpot CRM, for tracking, sharing, and sending them inside your sales tools. It's pretty simple once you know where everything lives. So, yeah, let's get right into it. First, go ahead and sign into your HubSpot account with your email and password. If you're already logged in, you'll land right on your dashboard. Next, from the main navigation bar at the top, hover over either the Marketing tab or the Sales tab. Depending on how your workspace is set up. Both menus include the Documents tool, so just hover and you'll see it. Now click on Documents. This opens the full documents library where you can upload, track views, and share files. All right, now you can upload your file. Just click the Upload button, pick your PDF, your slide deck, whatever you're adding, and wait a moment while it processes. HubSpot automatically tracks views and engagement once the upload finishes. After the file loads, you'll see it appear in your list. Click the name to preview it, then copy the share link. That's the one you can use in emails, templates, sequences, all that good stuff. And if you want to attach the document directly to a contact, a deal, or a company record, just open that record, scroll down a bit, and choose to log or send an email with the document link. HubSpot will track every open automatically, which is super helpful for follow-ups. And that's basically how you add documents to HubSpot CRM. It's quick, it's clean, and once you get used to it, you'll probably use it every day. If this helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more easy walkthroughs. See you in the next one.